Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to our channel, and thanks for logging on. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and subscribe to our YouTube channel right here at Watchbox Reviews. I'd really appreciate it, and I promise to update daily. If you love this watch, you can see it and you can purchase it on our website, thewatchbox.com. Today, we are discussing a L-Series, roughly 1989 Rolex Oyster Perpetual GMT-Master II, a 16710 in stainless steel. You can see this one with all black bezel, Rolex Jubilee bracelet, a striking appearance, and an unconventional 16710. The black bezel with the full Jubilee gives the watch a little bit more formality than sport, making it an unusual GMT while still being just as useful as any true dual-time Master II. The timepiece is old-school Rolex, 40mm, and it wears that way. A fairly slim watch as well. It's only 11.9mm thick, and lug-to-lug, I measure it at 46.7mm with a 20mm lug spacing. You can see on my 16cm circumference wrist, it's an easy watch to wear, and I would recommend it for wrists as small as 13.5cm circumference. Let's get a little bit closer and take a look at this bracelet. The bracelet's in good shape. It is the Jubilee, as you can see, 5-link, small centers, staggered alignment, staggered size, differential finish, polished centers, polished outer faces, and shoulders in satin. Now, right here, as you can see, we feature 502B end links, and the bracelet itself is a 62510H. Excellent condition. You can see it retains most of its original metal. The play is fair. I would say this represents a good everyday driver. It's not a museum piece, but nor is it particularly stretched nor worn down. Internal to the clasp are several different anchoring points, so you can fine-tune the fit without necessarily using any of the removable links. Now, the watch itself is in good condition. As you can see, the lugs are fairly full. It's not a museum piece, but most of the original metal still present and correct, and same true on the crown guards. The bezel is in excellent condition and the insert is a service replacement. Let me give us a bit more light here. It is a bidirectional rotating bezel in the GMT fashion. Now, the GMT Master IIs came about with the 16760 in 1983. That was the first of the true dual-time GMT Masters, as it allowed you to set the local hour hand separately from the 24-hour hand. They used to be synced in the past, and you would use the local port or airport GMT offset in conjunction with that bezel to temporarily find 2 time zones, including that of your arrival destination. But the thing is, this watch gives you the ability, if you set that hand to GMT and the 12-hour to your local, this bezel will give you the ability to temporarily see 3 time zones. The dial is a service replacement. As you can see, it is a Luminova white gold hand, white gold index dial, and of course this would have been tritium originally for a 1989 watch. It is a correct Rolex service piece, so like I said, this is a daily driver, not necessarily one for the time capsule, and being able to see the watch when the light goes down is a big deal, and with a Luminova service replacement dial, you get that. The lacquer base is immaculate, reflective. It features no tarnish, it features no aging, no cracking, no signs of any particular wear, tear, or the ravages of eras, as it looks effectively brand new. The red of the hand for 24 hours remains vivid and distinct, and of course you could see the Cyclops eye present and correct. Turn it all over. Underneath the screw-down caseback, you have Rolex manufacturer caliber 3185, 31 joules, automatic winding, 48-hour power reserve, COSC certified Swiss chronometer with a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance, and an overcoil hairspring to help the watch keep excellent time in every orientation with respect to gravity. So it helps the watch via that hairspring architecture to earn its COSC certification. 100-meter water resistance. Of course, you have that 12 and 24-hour dual-time, independent dual-time format. So this is a Rolex complication from the good old days, back when you could wear it on almost any wrist, and the timepiece nicely straddled the line between a dress watch and a sports watch. And with this full black bezel and a GMT correct Jubilee bracelet, it was always a minority option, but an option nonetheless on this era of watch. So it is a period correct, model correct piece. You can see this one and make it yours on the watch box. GMT Master II 16710.